Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you on how to fix unable to send friend request on Roblox. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So the first method is check friend limit. Roblox has a maximum limit of 200 friends. If either you or the person you're trying to add has reached this limit, no new requests can be sent. So the solution for this is to remove a few friends to make space for new requests. For method number two is check privacy setting. Roblox has privacy setting that can prevent friend requests. So for the solution, go to settings, the gear icon in this Roblox, and then under the privacy tab, check the who can send me friend requests option. Make sure it's set to everyone or adjust it based on your preference. Method number three is check age restrictions. Roblox restricts certain social features for users under 13 due to privacy regulations. The solution for this is check if the account is age restricted under 13, as it may block some interactions like sending or receiving friend requests. Method number four is clear browser cache or app data. If you're using Roblox on a browser, cached files might cause errors. Solution for this is clear your browser's cache, cookies, and history, then restart it. Solution for mobile or PC app, clear the app cache or reinstall the Roblox app. For the last method is to check internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection might cause issues with sending friend requests. Solution for this is ensure that you have a stable internet connection, so switch to a different network, Wi-Fi or mobile data, or reset your router. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!